Everybody, this is Patty the Leather Lady here for a quick tip for your cinches and your girths. This is a 40-inch cinch that I had adjusted from a 42 for this person. She has a draft, and we are adding some 1-inch black sheepskin. I can get sheepskin in many colors if you would like to do this for any of your tack or if you have a team. This one here is a medical grade. It only comes in the natural color, but we use this a lot because it is merino 1-inch thick. However, this is going to definitely keep your horse comfortable, keep him happy, and also if you're getting sores, especially from neoprene, it's not that great for horses because it does make them sweat and not breathe. This is a good fix for you, and I can do it on any of your tack.